Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is strategic marketing. Important note: from the left side outside of the design area we have the colors we used along with their codes, hex codes, so you can practice with us. Because as we said, the key to any skill is action and practice. The first thing we will do is insert an image. We go to insert ribbon, we choose pictures, this device. We click the image that we want to insert and click insert. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. We see that the dimensions of the image are smaller than our slide, so we adjust the image to our slide. We also see that we have chosen the large size of the image, so that it is not blurred. We always pay attention to this. We'll click on the photo and drag the mouse first from the left side and then from the right side until it meets the borders of our slide. Based on body language, if someone is looking you directly in the eyes, it means they are straightforward, honest and have nothing to hide. That's why we chose this image, to show how connection with the audience can be cultivated with the help of the presentation tool. We go to insert, we choose shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Now we have a blue rectangle. To have the same design results, we will give dimensions. We go to shape format ribbon, size, height, 10 cm. Or if you have inches in your settings, 3.93 inches. And right below at the width, we add 17 cm. Or 6.69 inches. Right click on the rectangle, we go to format shape and the right column appears to us. We go to fill, solid fill, color, eyedropper. We choose the color outside of the design area, the first. And transparency 10%. We set the transparency 10%. We go to line, color white, width 6 point, compound type double line, and we are good. Now we want to insert our title. We go to insert ribbon, we choose and click text box, click inside the rectangular box that we just have created, drag and release. We go to home ribbon, we choose font Times New Roman, size 44, color white, and we write our title. Shift apostrophe, cultivate, connection, unleashing, the power of strategic marketing, close apostrophe. And now, because we want to highlight a part of the title, we will use the yellow color left outside the design area. We choose the words that we want to be with yellow color. Shape format, text fill, eyedropper. We choose the color yellow outside of the design area on the left side. And that's it. Now for the presenter's name. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release. We choose the font Times New Roman, 24 size, white color, and we write the presenter's name by Martha G. Santos. And we put it in the desired position. Now we want to separate the title from the presenter's name carefully and discreetly, so we will insert a small rectangle between them. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Shapes, Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape fill white color, shape outline, no outline. And to better unify the image and the title, we will insert a large rectangle that will cover our entire title slide. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Shapes, Rectangle, click from the upper left corner to the lower right side. Shape format, shape fill, we choose in the third column, the first in a row, gray. Shape outline, no outline. Right click, we go to Format Shape, and we set the transparency 82%. Now we right click in the rectangle, in the transparent rectangle, send undo, right click, send backward, right click, send backward, right click, send backward, because we want to see clear the title. And that's it. Now it's time for animations. First we move the transparent rectangle, and then we go to Image, we go to Animations ribbon, Entrance, Zoom, Effect Options, Object Center as it is, start with Previews, duration 0.75 time. We go to the brown rectangle, Entrance, Zoom, Effect Options, Object Center, start after Previews, duration 0.50 as it is. We go to the title, Animations, Entrance, Shape, Effect Option in Circle as it is, start after Previews, duration 1. We go to the small rectangle, Entrance, Fly in, Effect Options from right, start after Previews, duration 0.50, and the presenter's name, Entrance, Shape, effect option in circle as it is, start after previous, duration 1. And the last in the transparent rectangle, click the rectangle, entrance, appear, start after previous, duration 0.50. And we go to the slideshow button down and click it to see the result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!